How to get a copy of my tax return from IRS on Turbotax. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of Turbotax and log into your account. Once logged in, on the tax homepage, scroll down to your tax returns and documents option. Select the year of the return you want. Example, 2023 and click download, print, return PDF. This only works if you have filed the tax return through Turbotax. If you didn't, you will need to request it directly from the IRS. For that, a tax transcript provides most of the information from your return and is free. Go to IRS Get Transcript online tool, sign in or create an account to verify your identity, select the type of transcript, return transcript, and tax return. Use the Get Transcript by Mail option on the IRS website. You will receive your transcript by mail in 5 to 10 days. Call the IRS at 800-908-9946 to request a transcript. For a full copy including all attachments, there is a fee. Download and fill out Form 4506 from the IRS website. Specify the tax year and include payment $20, $45 per copy. Mail the completed form with payment to the address specified for your state on the form. Allow up to 75 days for processing. By using these methods, you can retrieve your tax return from TurboTax or directly from IRS. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.